Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do makeup on the lovely Vipasha. She's attending a Sundowner, and Vipasha is somebody who is an extremely contemporary girl, and her way of dressing and everything is very modern. She does not like to go over the top with her jewelry or anything. So I'm just going to keep the eye like a very basic soft smoky eye with a smoky eyeliner. And I'm going to give her gorgeous lashes with beautiful nude lips. The skin is going to be super dewy, and Vipasha has extremely dry skin, so I'm going to really work on the prep and prime of her skin. And one of my most favorite products to prime the skin and make it look gorgeous and dewy is the Indulgeo Rose Gold Oil. And apart from this, for the hair we are keeping it very sleek, just a center parting down, and the fronts we are just going to keep them like really pinned so that they don't trouble her when she's parting. And she is not very fond of bright lipsticks because she has a very big mouth, so I'm just going to give her beautiful nude lips with a gorgeous nude color gloss on top of it. Keep watching.
Forget the past, but what counts is our brand new start. Even if it hurts me or I get scared, just come take this risk now. We'll be prepared, reaching for the stars, traveling so far like a dragonfly. Keep the secrets there, hide them everywhere. Just you and I run away. I run away. I run in this world. Standing on the edge of a cliff, realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from hidden sin. With me tonight. I run away. I the edge of a cliff. Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly. Just grab my hand from hidden sin. We need tonight. I run
Guys, I hope you liked this makeup, and if you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. And Vipasha, I'm going to give her another look as well for another function that she'll be attending, a cocktail, and that video will be up soon as well. I hope you like the kind of videos we're doing. If you'd like to leave your comments about our content, do leave us a message. And if you'd like to see something particular about a makeup look, do leave a message. I promise I will try and shoot it soon.